Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the TPMS Light tire pressure monitor system on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017, guys. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. We'll explain how it could be a simple fix. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses and relays, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way, guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. The TPMS Light, tire pressure monitor system light, fuses, relays, come guys to show you where you can expect to find them. If you want to see why the TPMS light is on, we have a special video that will teach you about that, how to diagnose the system, how to test your tire pressure monitor sensors as well. That video will be on our YouTube channel. Now, quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why, guys, we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, what we guys need to do here quickly, okay, we need to, most likely the TPMS fuse, okay, it's not separate fuse. We need to open the front right door. That fuse has a different function as well. We cannot just pull that fuse and deactivate the system because that's a safety system. Now we'll talk about that. There is limited information, but what we think is the fuse that you need to check. On the side of the center console, on the passenger side, leave that cover up and you're going to find that fuse box layout. Oh, by the way, guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And here is specifically what we need to check. If you look at it, okay, we need to check multiple fuses that are for the BCM body control module, and you may need to check fuses for the radio as well. We're talking about fuse 2, 4, 7, 8, fuse 16, here is 20, you need to check fuse 30, 31, 34 and 40. There is very limited information about the TPMS light fuse, but most likely it's part of another fuse system as well. That's why you need to check these BCM fuses and the radio fuse. Now, if you need help with anything else, guys, we'll have videos about every single fuse on that GMC Terrain on our YouTube channel. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.